Billions of dollars are being funneled out of the biggest platforms on the internet and making their way into tiny niche markets. Every single day, this massive transfer of wealth is creating new opportunities for folks like you and me, because big businesses are just standing by and letting it happen. They hear tiny market and think it's a waste of time. But these tiny markets are filled with customers that could be worth anywhere from $500 to $5,000. And small businesses are desperate to get a hold of them. There's over 30 million small businesses in America, and they'll pay big bucks to anyone who can connect them to customers in these tiny markets, $1 to $2K a month in most cases. So if you could connect just 12 of these small businesses to the people in these tiny markets, it could be worth a fortune. Landing just one small business a month could be a game changer for the average American. Hit the button and I'll show you how you could land one a week. Big businesses don't see the big picture. They don't see how much money they're losing to these tiny markets. And I'm cool with that, because I can swoop in, take over these tiny markets, and let the sales roll in. A ton of these small business owners pay me every month to connect them to customers, because I developed a system that gets them high-quality paying customers, not just the same crappy leads everyone else is selling. I call this system digital real estate. Think of it like a tap. I provide small business owners with a steady stream of customers. Legit customers willing to pay these small business owners big bucks. And to keep the customers flowing, these business owners pay me monthly rent, because I control the flow of customers. If they stop paying, I just turn the tap off. Hit the button to watch me break down exactly how it works.